times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you never leave. Strap my lungs, then we puffin' through with that right. But giving them some stories, they come back like manic this, manic that, why you crawling to me? The how we
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video to let a lot of you guys know on the channel as well that we are going to be now starting to do the remapping, and I'm just in the process of doing that now on the bench. I am explaining a lot of bits we're going to be using, and a lot of you are aware that I've got a test platform if you are watching this, but that's not needed and you don't have to use a test platform. And that's one thing I'm going to be showing, how to gain access to the DMEs and how to be able to do all the remapping without a bench setup, because you don't need it these days. It is handy to have, but it's something I use. Do I need it? I don't hardly use it these days because it's not needed as much as it was years ago when these cars were very difficult. These days they've got, as I've said to many people in the members, they've got all different adapters. Again, if you're part of the members, you already know what adapters they are, and if you're not a member, go and become one to go and see all the different adapters, different tools you're going to be using. We've also got a load of different new tools coming in. We've also got a set of modules coming in, which I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for the CCC repair. That's something I've got coming in this week. I'm still waiting for it, and that's going to be another video that's going on the membership. We've going to have a brand new car coming to the channel as well. Again, all the videos are going to be going on the membership, and a lot of you guys have even asked for this car. But unfortunately, it's going to be on the membership only, and it's not going to be on normal videos. So it is going to be only for the people that are paying members, and that's, like I said to you, the way it's going to be going. We are still going to carry on doing public videos, free videos on the E60 and the E46 most probably. But for the majority of the time, we are, like I said to you before, focusing on the membership. That's where the new car's going on. A lot of you wanted to see this car. It was the most requested car on my whole channel, but it is going on the membership, and I'm planning to pick it up anytime soon. As soon as this crisis ends up stopping. The guy wanted to deliver it to me, but I don't have the space for it at the moment, so we need to make space. One of the cars will be going, as you guys know. We've got them both up here on the expert package. If need be, if you're in another country and you win one of the cars and you're on the expert package, I will sell it and just give you the money for the car, whatever it goes for. That's how we're going to do it. So no matter what, you've always been for winning, regardless of what country you're from, you'll be in a chance of winning the prize. So there's not going to be nobody left out of this competition. Like I know many people do on membership. They'll leave you out, and if you can win a car, they if you're not in the country, you can't win it. No, I'm being very fair, very blunt with this. If you are in the members package, doesn't matter what country you're in, we'll give you the money for whatever the car goes for. That's how it's going to work. But guys, if you do want to head over to the membership and you ain't part of it already, the link will be in the comments below. Go and head over there, and you'll be able to see the video that we're putting out today regarding all the remapping and how to tune your own files and things like that. We've got a lot coming up. We've still got a lot more programs to come in as well as a lot of modules. CCC, I've got the CIC coming in, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to update the maps on the bench as well, how to add that to your platform for your CIC and also the CCC, so you can have it all on the bench. We're going to end up doing a lot of things on here. Like I said, if you want to be part of that, you're going to have to head over to the membership page. A lot of you guys in other countries can't take part in that, and I'm really, really sorry. Like I said, it's not something I want to do. It's what YouTube are doing. I have no control over the membership and what countries it's available in and what it's not. So if you ain't part of it, I'm sorry to say that obviously you can't be part of it, and I hope later on YouTube will make it available for all countries. I'm not sure what the reason is behind this, and I'm hoping they will make it, because I know a lot of you guys are loyal to me and want to be part of it, just you can't be, and I keep getting messaged and I keep getting asked that. Another thing I just want to go over with you guys is I keep getting a lot of emails as well. Now, I'm not trying to be rude, I'm not trying to be funny. I've got no problem with people emailing me, I've got no problem with people contacting me, but there's one thing I don't like constantly, and it's everyone sees, because I'm British, they say about mate. Please do not address me with the word mate. Like I say to everyone, I find it quite offensive. I'm not nobody's mate. I don't tend to be anybody's mate, and for me, I find it offensive. You know, at the end of the day, approach me with respect. Call me sir, call me doctor, call me whatever you want to call me, but please don't approach me with mate. I just feel it offensive. It's just the way I feel. I always have done. If I don't know you on that level and we're not personal and we're not close friends, please don't approach me with the word mate, because I will just ignore your question. I won't answer it. It's very simple as. I know a lot of you think by doing that you're going to get an answer at me. You won't. It's actually more disrespectful. So please, please do not approach me if you're going to message me with the word mate. It's just a straight, immediate delete, and immediately it will go straight to the bin, because I ain't got no time for people like that. So I'm just giving you the heads up. I'm not trying to be rude. It's just I just don't like it. I find it disrespectful. So thank you very, very much, guys. And if you do want to see these videos, just head over to the membership and you become part of it. If you're not part of the package, go and become part of it. Anyone who goes and clicks semi-pro or pro will not have access to videos. Let me just state that now. Go and join the expert package if you want access to these videos. It's the only package they're on, so you will miss out if you're not part of the expert package. Thank you very much, guys, and goodbye.